The University of Colorado's Environmental Center is proud to bring you Colorado Bioneers. Colorado Bioneers is a non-profit conference that connects people with solutions and each other in exploration and discussion on social, economical, and environmental challenges. Bioneers covers a wide variety of topics: ecological design and restoring our ecosystems, food, farming, and economics, ecological medicines, the arts, indigenous knowledge, as well as youth and intergenerational topics. So come out to the University of Colorado at Boulder to celebrate Colorado Bioneers this fall.